Alright, I'm up here at Main Street in Albertville, Alabama, which is also Alabama State Route 205. Got a quick update here. As you can see, as you can see up here, the GS Type 1 on this signal has sadly been replaced with the Western Hayes E-Bell. So, so that means there's like no more, yeah, I don't think there's any more working GS Type 1s in, yeah, there's like no more working GS Type 1s in Marshall County now, I'm pretty sure this means. But yeah, here's the back view of the signal. But yeah, I just thought I'd get a quick up as I was driving through, checking on the crossings, and found that new bell sitting up there. Let's see here. So yeah, I'm glad I got at least several, at least most of them recorded back when they still worked. Looked like the dead GS Type 1 and Boaz may have still been there. So yeah, anyways, no other changes crossing up here. So yeah, just a quick update here at Main Street in Albertville, Alabama. Over and out.